Hi, this is James. In this video, we will take a look at what's new in Shotcut version 18.10.08. In this version, you will notice that there is a new menu here, which is Open Other. So when you click on Open Other, now you can do your color, text, noise, and other things as well. Now this menu is also found here under File, Open Other. Okay, just that the layout is different and it is now easier to access this menu. The other thing that is new is also over at the preview window here, or just under the preview window. Now there is a setting to display grid on the player. Okay, so I have a video clip here on my timeline, and this is the under the projects tab here. So if I click on the toggle, I can toggle a 2x2 grid. I can toggle a 4x4 grid, and this is useful when you want to arrange your text over your video. Okay, and there is also a feature that allows you to do snapping. So let me just do a quick demo here. One thing to note is under filters also there is a new layout for favorites, video and audio. So the filters and all that is still the same. It's just that now the arrangement of the menu is up here. Okay, so let me just quickly put a text there. Okay, and I'm just going to do this India to show this. Okay, so the same things apply when it comes to setting the fonts, and the colors is still the same. But I wanted to let you know how this applies to the grid and the snapping feature. So right now my snapping is off. Okay, so you can actually just arrange this wherever you want. Okay, so the grid lines will help you to put where you want your text. For example, if you have different scenes, you want your text to remain the same. Okay, so you can do that. Let me open a bigger grid here. So if I put it there, you'll notice that this center bubble will snap to the intersection of these two lines, the horizontal and the vertical lines. So this is extremely helpful if you want to position your text in a certain way. Okay, so let's say you want to do lower thirds. Okay, maybe somewhere here, then you can also do that. One other thing is also there is also grid lines for these 95 safe areas, 80-90% safe areas. The safe area guides will be useful if you are showing your videos for those people who have an older television. Okay, they may not display the area as compared to say a more modern LED widescreen monitor or widescreen television. So if you want to make videos for your relatives or anyone who has an older TV, those grid lines will come in useful. The next thing is actually with the layout. Okay, so if you go to view and go to layout, you can actually do the default layout. Okay, I'm going to restore the default layout. Okay, so this is where your default layout or the Shotcut default layout is. Right, there's audio and there's also recent files. So now you can create your own default layout. So I'm going to create one now. So I'm just going to remove all this, and I'm going to open the keyframes tab or the keyframes window over there. Okay, now assuming that this is my default layout, I could go to view, go to layout, and I could actually add this, and let's call this as James Wu's layout. Okay, so if I make any changes, okay, let me close this. Let me close the timeline as well. If I want to go back to my layout, I could just go to the menu here and go to layout. Okay, so this is my default layout, and you can also remove it. Go to layout, you can remove the layout. Okay, or you can actually remove your custom layout. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope that this video has given you an overview of Shotcut version 18.10.08. And just note that this video is actually edited in Shotcut as well. Thanks for watching. Check out my review of Shotcut that I made a video some time ago. There's also a short tutorial to help you get started with Shotcut. I will put all those things in the link. This is James. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, bye bye.